Here we see a whole bunch of different packets of LEDs. For your LED project, you'll be allowed to choose whichever colors that suits you, but keep in mind some LEDs don't have a known voltage, but here we have LEDs with a known voltage range. So for instance, with the P and K ones here, they're pink, even though it's made of clear plastic. When they are powered enough, that you will see a pink light. And to get proper illumination, you'll need a voltage of between 3 to 3.2 volts. If you go much higher than 3.2 volts, you risk damaging the LED, reducing its lifespan, or if it's too high voltage, you'll just kill it instantly and you'll see it actually flash. And after that, it won't work anymore. Below about 3 volts here for the P&K, you'll find that it'll be too dim, maybe 2.9 volts or 2.8 volts, but below that, you might find that you get no illumination at all. Whenever you go about using an LED or including an LED into your project, please make sure you test it first. So what I have here is an LED tester, and I'll grab an LED here. So here is an LED from an unknown packet. We can see it's clear plastic. We don't know the color, we don't know the voltage. So with this LED tester, we can do a few things. We can work out the color, and as well as work out if it still works. So make sure that when you go about testing your LEDs, before you include this into your circuit, that you use this tester. And when you insert the LED into the tester, make sure you follow the guide here shown on the screen. So the longer prong, the longer leg is the positive terminal, and the negative leg is a short one. So if I put this in the wrong way, you'll find it doesn't work. So I put this into the 20 milliamp power source, and you'll see that nothing happens. Okay, even though the power is on, the LED is not working. So that shows you that LEDs are unidirectional. So now I put the LED in correctly into the 20 milliamp power supply, and there it is. And now we can see that it works. All right. And the other good thing about this tester is you can actually compare LEDs. So we've got two 10 milliamp power sockets, so you can compare two at the same time. But now for virtually all these LEDs, they require a 20 milliamp power supply. So that's easily determined by choosing the correct resistor, which we'll talk about in a separate video. So here we go again. There it is. That's red. Okay. And we'll try some other ones here. See if this one works. This could be an amber. I'm putting 20 milliamp. And there's amber. It works. Okay. And here's green. Now, the thing about this tester, it works out the correct voltage to supply each LED. So, and the way it does that, it basically powers up in a very, very short amount of time, up to 20 milliamps. And when it gets 20 milliamps, know there's a current, it will stop the voltage at that point. So it gradually increases the voltage until it gets the 20 milliamps. So now we can see that this is working. This is green.